Hello everyone. So in this video, we'll be discussing that how the portal will be how the portal will be there when you'll be doing the choice filling. So I will try to explain in this with a reference video of the past years. So in the portal, you'll be seeing the portal will be something like this, where you'll be seeing the available choices, filled choices, unfilled choices. And at the left, you can see there will be a choice filling option. So every details will be mentioned on the portal. So you will be clicking on the choice filling. There you will be getting the institute type, all programs. So from there you have to add. So whenever you are clicking on the all institutes, so whatever the available institutes are there, you will be seeing the list at the left. Total available choices. You can see the list as well. And once you'll be clicking on add, then that will be moved to right. Okay, so once you'll be clicking on the add, that choices whatever you are making, that will be start shifting to the right of the screen. So you will be knowing like what and how the choice filling, what is the list that you are making. So this is how is the basic choice filling portal will be there. So for example, like as I'm adding, it will be coming at the right of it. At the top, you will be seeing the other options as well. Even if you want to remove it, for example, if you want to remove, you can remove it. You can make it up, down, and everything that you can also do it from here. So it is very easy to make the choice filling. So with this video, you can you will be getting a rough idea that how the choice filling will be there. So what you have to do now, you have to make a preference order. For an example, in here you can put the institute name also. Like for this particular student, there are the IIT options, IIT and IT's options are there. But for you, I don't think so. That option will be there. For you, the options will be NITs, triple ITs, and GFTIs only. Along with that, you will be getting an option of CAWG and non-CAWG in there. So you can click on the options, and as per that, you can select. Usually, what students get when they are putting the college, they get the option of CAWG, for example, NIT Trichy, and CAWG in the non-CAWG category. So once you'll be clicking on the add button in there, so you will be seeing the list. You can add the choices at the right. What you have to do, you have to keep doing save and continue, because sometimes what happens, if you're not saving it, your preference order will not be saved. So I will suggest you the better thing, in a pen and paper, just make a preference order first. Means like I make a preference order 1, 2, like whatever you are looking for, and then you can start doing the choice filling. By the end of it, you can save and continue. Also, you can take the printout of it, so you will be knowing what exactly the choices you had filled, and there will be no confusion by the end of it. So as per me, the best way is you can make a choice filling first, means on the pen and paper, and then you can start submitting it in the portal. By the end of it, you will still be submitting it. You will be getting a mail. You will be getting a confirmation, and you will be getting a confirmation that you are submitting, so that everything will be there. That's all in this video. Thank you. Bye bye.